deduction to everyone in the group. This is our presentation about how really look at the great health in the community. One afternoon, there was a group of students who was talking about the past typhoon that caused flash flood and kills many people in Batanes.
Hey guys, don't you know there are many properties that are destroyed because of the typhoon?
What? Oh, I remember. I've seen that on TV last night.
So, I don't care.
Exam.
Hey guys! Good afternoon.
Exam.
I'm sorry I'm late. What are you talking about?
We're talking about the typhoon accident that had been shown on TV last night. So what should we do?
When suddenly, Jolene suggests to ask for help from the other town and gave aid to those people who was affected by the typhoon.
What? You were gonna help them? Ew! Really? Don't act like that. You're so selfish. Just join us. Okay.
In what way?
They plan what they're thinking, and on the other day, they do what they had planned. They collect a donation, and they gave it to those people who was affected by the typhoon.
Oh, I'm so tired. But I'm so happy because we did a very great help to the other people. Isn't it? Oh, I'm not contented with that. Come on, guys, let's volunteer the organization. Clean and clean. Yes, this was a great idea.
Let's plan more ways to prevent flash flood. So, if the repeated
Parang naman yung narrator nila.
They plan more things that will prevent flash flood if there will be another typhoon that will come again to their city, and they help those people who was affected by the typhoon, and by that way, they had a great help in the community. That was the end of our first week.